If equation confuse you, then this video is for you. So today we're going to solve equation that has multiplication in them. So let's start with the first one. So here we have 2x being equal to 8. However, 2x is the same as x multiplied by 2. And the inverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. So on the left hand side of the equation, we divide by 2. And this is because the reverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. And also remember, on your right hand side of the equation, you have to divide by 2 as well. So x will be equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So let's try a next example. So here we have 4x being equal to 7. So the last operation that was done to x is multiplying by 4. And the reverse of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. So we must divide both sides by 4. So we divide the left hand side of the equation by 4, and also remember to divide your right hand side of the equation by 4. So this means that x will be equal to 1.75. So 7 divided by 4 is equal to 1.75. So you can pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, let's work it out. So this question is saying 7x is equal to 28. So let's solve for x. So 7x is the same as x multiplied by 7. So the last operation that was done to x is multiplying by 7. And the reverse of multiplying by 7 is dividing by 7. So we have to divide the left hand side by 7, and also remember to divide your right hand side of the equation by 7. And therefore x will be equal to 4. So let's try another example. You can pause the video and try this one as well. So this is 8x is equal to 2. Alright, let's give it a try. So here we have x multiplied by 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, the reverse of multiplying by 8 is dividing by 8. And if you divide one side of the equation by 8, you'll have to divide the other side of the equation by 8 as well. And this is to ensure that the equation remain balanced. So x will be equal to 8. X will be equal to 2 divided by 8, which is 0.25. So let's look on mixed questions. So here we have questions from all of the videos on equation so far. So 1, 2, and 3. You can pause the video and try to work out these questions. Okay, let's start with the first question. So this one is x add 6 is equal to 13, and we're using the inverse operation. So the last operation that was done to x on the left hand side of the equation is add 6, and the reverse of add 6 is subtract 6. So you subtract 6 from the left hand side of the equation, and you also have to remember to subtract 6 from the right hand side of the equation. Therefore, x will be equal to 7. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more GCSE Maths